Hello everyone, this is the question for today. Suppose x and y are real numbers. We are asked to solve this system of equation. From the given equation, they look very symmetrical, meaning that when we interchange x and y, you'll get from first equation to the second equation. So does that mean that x equals y? We have some example in this channel showing symmetrical system of equation does not have only x equals y as the solution. In fact, have more solution than that. So what will happen for this problem? That's the first thing that we want to consider. The second thing, even that x equals y, then we need to solve this equation. And it turns out that this is a degree 4 equation, which obviously is not easy to be solved. So we may want to get a more efficient way to solve this equation. Okay, now we will let fx to be square root of x plus 2. Then from the first equation, square root of x plus 2 equals y minus 2. Y will equal to square root of x plus 2 plus 2. And this actually equals to f of x. Likewise, from square root of y plus 2 equals to x minus 2. So x equals to square root of y plus 2 plus 2, which means that f of y. To combine this, we have x equals f of x. So let us look at this function again, and it is clearly fx is an increasing function. This means that if fx is less than x, then f of x is less than f of x, which is also less than x. Now, since we have x equals to f of x, which were less than f of x, which is less than f of x, which is less than fx, which is less than x, and this is a contradiction. Likewise, if fx greater than x, then there is also a contradiction. This means that we have no choice, but there is only one possible answer, that is fx equals to x. And because of this, square root of x plus 2 equals to x, x minus square root of x minus 2 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in square root of x, meaning that this can be factored as square root of x minus 2, square root of x plus 1 equals to 0. So square root of x equals to 2, or square root of x equals to negative 1, which has to be rejected because square root of x is always greater than or equals to 0. And therefore x equals to 4 is the only solution. And since y equals to f of x, which is equal to fx, which is also equal to x, and it must be also equal to 4. Therefore, for the solution, xy equals to 4 and 4. Interestingly, this is the only solution for the system of equation. That's all for today's problem. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.